Hi. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Give Daddy a hug. Guess who came last night? Santa. Yeah, Santa came last night. You want to go see Mommy? Is Mommy gonna come?
Yeah.
We're gonna go see Santa eat his cookies. Can Mommy come? Let's go see Santa's. See if he eat his cookies. Can I come? Am I coming?
Mommy.
Merry Christmas. It's Christmas. Yeah.
No, Mommy.
Come and see. Santa was here last night. They come and check. Look. This reindeer even eat carrots. What's that?
Dora.
Dora. Did Santa leave his garbage behind? What's that?
An empty box.
It's empty. It's empty. Hey, look though, Serena. Oh, you want to check out your?
Look.
Oh, look. Go look.
What's over there?
Go take a look. Was Santa in your fort? Go take a look. Go see. Oh. Oh, look at that. Wow.
Wow.
Want to even check it out? I'll see what's in your stocking. Yeah? Are they to help?
He's just overwhelmed with it all, isn't she?
Want to put it on your PSU?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, you want to hold this? You don't have to do anything, it's on.
See?
Let's see.
Dora, Daddy.
Yeah, Dora. Dora. You want your PSU?
Yeah.
Okay. He even put your PSU out for you. Look at
Oh,
that.
they
You're
call it
special.
PSU? That's it.
Special, eh? How did you know that you would want your slippers in the morning?
Yeah.
Wow. That's cool. Okay, well, let's get your stocking down. Ooh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Oh. Here. What's inside? What's inside? Oh! Hey, Daddy will pile it up here for you, okay? Oh, it's a dip. Want to open it?
Yeah.
Mommy? Do you want to wait? What?
He's in the bathroom.
Oh, you're in the bathroom?
I guess that shouldn't have been on.
What? Nothing.
Daddy.
Hey,
Yeah.
Dora. Dora candy. Oh, how did he know? How did he know you liked Dora candy? I wonder. Yeah.
I wonder.
Dora tree.
Dora, yeah, more Dora treats. Wow. Wow.
Dora.
Yeah. Hey, look at your pocket. Check your pocket. There's something in the pocket. Go see. No.
Hmm?
What's that?
Papa.
Dora.
Papa.
That's that for Serena?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fire.
It says, wow. It is for Serena. Wow.
Daddy.
Okay, well, we want to empty the stocking and then you can open the stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep emptying the stocking. There's more stuff in there.
More stuff.
Keep going. Want Daddy to help you dump it out?
Hope.
Oh,
Help. Help.
oh, Dora!
Wow, a cooker.
Dora sticker, yeah. Want to help? See how easy. What's that? Oh, there's the blocks. Oh.
What's that? Is that stickers?
Santa must have put your blocks in the stocking. Oh, look at that. Santa put the blocks in the stocking.
I guess the box wouldn't fit in the stocking.
Box wouldn't fit. That's the box. Wow. See? I guess they wouldn't fit in the box. Wouldn't fit in the stocking, so Santa put it in the... That's why he left you the box. Oh. You put the blocks in here? Put the blocks in here, Serena. Wow.
Mommy says, oh dear, more stuff to pick up.
Wow. Wow. Okay, Daddy, put this over here. What's this? Oh, it's rope for your toboggan. It's rope for your toboggan. Did you see a toboggan?
It matches it too. Okay.
Put your blocks in there. Are you special? Are you special? Wow. Special, Serena? Look at all the stuff you've got. You surprised? Surprised? That's for your toboggan. You want to open your big present? Wow, how did he know that you wanted a green toboggan? Hmm? Yeah. Serena sit in there and then we go in the snow.
Yeah.
Daddy show you around. Remember we saw this at Canadian Tire? Remember? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's big.
Whoa.
I don't know. Is that?
Right.
Yeah, that was in your fort. You must. Let's see what it is. Okay. Pull. Pull. It says Serena. It says Serena from Santa. Ready to help? Let's see. Oh, funny. What is it? The scissors are on the. What is it? Daddy cut this for you?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it? I don't know what it is.
Sarah.
Dora.
Dora. She's something.
Here.
Dora's there, is she? I wonder what it will be next year at this time.
Is it a blanket? For your fort? Wow. Wow. That looks like a nice blanket. It's soft. Want some help?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Wow.
Serena.
Sarah.
Wow, that's a big one. Hey?
Wow.
Wow.
Want to feel it? Want to feel it? Feel it. Soft. Wow. Want to sit on it? Yeah? Wow.
How in the world did you find a big one like that?
Well, they're around. All over the world.
Hmm?
Maybe the North Pole.
Maybe the North Pole.
Wow. Soft, eh? Okay, can Daddy go make Mommy some coffee? And then we can finish opening the presents?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, how do you stop this? Here.